வெல்கம் டு Sagalai with Ragalai. இதுவரைக்கும் எங்கள் சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணாதவங்க சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிடுங்க. எங்களோட லேட்டஸ்ட் வீடியோஸை உடனே தெரிஞ்சுக்க பெல் ஐக்கானை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்கள். இன்றைக்கி நம்ம வீட்டிலே பன்னீர் எப்படி பண்ணுறதுன்னு பார்க்க போகிறோம். I have taken 2 liters of desi cow milk in a vessel. Now I am going to bring the milk to boil by keeping the stove on medium flame. Now the milk has raised and I am going to squeeze half lemon into the boiled milk and wait for the milk to curdle. Keep the stove on high flame after adding the lemon. The milk has not curdled well, so I am squeezing another half lemon to separate the paneer from the milk. Now the paneer has separated well from the milk. Now I am going to strain the water with a white cotton cloth. Pour it very carefully so that you don't hurt your hands with this hot water. Now squeeze the excess water from the paneer and keep it aside to rest for 10 minutes. Now the paneer is well set and combined. You can use this paneer as it is in any of your recipes. Thanks for watching guys. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.